channel. Today we are going to be doing a tester. I bought this hair curler, but I have not used it because I wanted to share it with you guys. So without further ado, here we go. So this is the hair curler. It is the Chi Air Spin and Curl. I wanted to try this out because I don't know, my hair, when I cut my hair really short, it was really hard to curl my hair, so I wanted to see if it was easier to curl my hair. So let's go ahead and plug it in and do it here. So when you open it up, it just comes in a plastic thing like this. And it also comes with the instructions. And I also got a cleaning tool with this. So that's really good. So when you press the button on the side here on, it tells you the temperature, how high you want it, and how long it would get to that temperature. And on here, there's a up and a down button so that you can choose the temperature that you want for your hair. Since my hair is darker and it's Asian hair, so it's a lot thicker, I am going to be using the higher heat so that the curls stay in my hair. I'm really excited to use this. It says this side towards the head, and this is not supposed to be hot, so hopefully it doesn't burn my scalp. And then it has the directions, so this one goes this way and this one goes the other way. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna try it. I'm just gonna grab a little piece of my hair here, and they said it gets real close to the scalp. So I want to curl it the other way. So I'm just going to put it over my head and start spinning it. And I want to make sure that it's got the tight curls. So once it's done, it's supposed to beep. So let's see. Hopefully it doesn't fry my hair. There you go. So you just take it out. Oh, that is neat. That is so neat. So I'm just gonna hold it up for a little bit until it kind of cools down, because you know I want that volume. That is neat. That is really neat. So let's try this side. This side. Let's try this little piece right here. I just don't want to burn myself, you know. And I guess it stops, so it'll tell you when it stops. This is cool. This is really cool. So this one, while I talk to you, let me curl my hair. So this one says that it is ceramic. It is a 1-inch curler. It claims to have LED temperature, so easily adjustable temperature up to 410 degrees Fahrenheit. Woo, woo. This is fun. I was so afraid that I was gonna burn my hair. It is so cool, you guys. So I have some short hair over here, sorry. So this is really short right here. So we are going to test this to see if it actually is doing the job. So really close to the scalp on this head side. And here we go. Huh, it didn't take all my hair, but maybe I just didn't place it right. Okay. Curls aren't that pretty in my eyes, but I can live with it. I can live with it. Maybe I put too much, just too much. Let's try with this piece. Really close, down. See? I really like the first curls, but then this one and the one down here wasn't that good. Let me try. Okay. So let me try my bangs, okay? So my bangs. And mind you, my hair is 3-day-old hair. So maybe if you want better curls, just do it on. See? That's so pretty. That's so pretty. You guys see that? Sorry. You guys see that? Ooh. There we go. There we go. Nice, pretty. Really nice and pretty. And there you go. I curled most of my hair. The only thing that I couldn't curl was the lower one down here because it was really short. So the curls didn't come out as good as I thought it was going to be. But do you guys like it? Other than that, I have no complaint. I would give it a excuse me, a 9 out of 10, just due to the fact that it didn't curl my short hair. And yeah, I think it's cute. Do you guys like it? I really like it. If you guys have any questions or any comment or concerns, just leave it down in the comment down below, and I will get back to you guys. Other than that, that's all I have. Thanks for coming back. Until next time, I'll see you guys. Bye.